Question 42. Draw the graph of the equation. Now, there are two types of graph. Type 1 graph says you will have x term and you will have y term and you will have a constant. Constant means any number, but not 0. It could be positive number or a negative number. So if you have three terms like this, then this is type 1 graph. Whereas type 2, you will find only two terms, x term and y term, where you will not find here constant term. Similarly, you can have like this also. You will have x term, y term, and 0 is not a constant. Consider 0 is not a constant. So this is also a type 2 question. Come to our question type 1. Y negative 2 equal to x. In this given equation, this is type 1, and in the type 1, x and y terms must be on the left and the constant must be on the right. So this negative 2, I have to switch to the right side. If negative 2, I switch on the right, it becomes positive. And this 2x, positive 2x, if I have to switch to the left. So this positive 2x, if I switch here on the left, it becomes negative, like this. See, y as it is, this is positive 2x. If I switch here, it becomes negative 2x. This is negative 2. If I switch on the right, it becomes positive 2. Now, from this equation, we have to find x and y. To find x, constant term divided by the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x means the number with x. So 2 is the constant term divided by the coefficient of x is negative 2. So 2 over negative 2. 2 divided by negative 2. I got negative 1. X as negative 1. So in the graph, x as negative 1, which means at this point x is negative 1. So just put one point at x equal negative 1. Similarly, find y. Same idea. To find y, constant term divided by the coefficient of y. Here coefficient of y, if I don't have any number, it must be 1. So constant divided by 1, like this. So here constant term, which is 2, over coefficient of y, if I don't have any number, it is 1. 2 over 1 means 2. I got y as 2. So y as 2 at this point. At this point, y is 2. So just put another point at y equal to, like this. And join these 2 points by drawing a line. Now, this is our graph. Now, compare this graph line with our options A, B, C, or D.